Whoa, that's sick. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome into Thrift Alive. If this is your first time watching the channel, my name's Ryan, and around here we like to go to the Goodwill Outlet to 1, find things to flip on eBay, or 2, put in my personal collection. So let's get in the truck and head on over and see what's rolling out on the belts today.
Welcome to the Goodwill Outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Thrifting! Alright, back at it. No Business Insider today, so that's nice. No? Okay. There's some tapes down there I want to look at. I didn't want them to take the shit. Well, look who it is. That's crazy. He's having fun at Disney. Leo Mania. Check this out. It's alright.
All of these have been rotated.
All of them?
Yes.
Damn. Well, they still suck.
Yeah, they do. They were all shut down when we come in.
Man, they're motivated today, huh?
Yeah, who knows how long it'll be for the next one.
Right? So I found that guy that was in here with Business Insider. I found him on Instagram. He kind of had like a little description of what they were filming in here, and it's about how Goodwill is using AI tools to sort through the stuff, and that's probably why we're not seeing anything. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, you could come in and find this.
Yes.
That'd be cool. But you're not gonna find anything good, so.
No.
You sure about that?
Oh, AI is taking over things, unfortunately.
I'm definitely interested to see, like, if they let him go in the back and like showed like their process of how they go through the stuff, and because who knows what they're doing back there. Well, I'm gonna go check out 4 before they take it away from me. I don't know. I don't think it's. Who's that? Cartoon Network. So you're on the Ice King. We'll check it out. Whatever. Got nothing else to do. Damn. Probably went to town on that. Look at that. Hey, that's cool. They made up their own Pokemon. Got a monster cat. That's cool. That's some stuff I would have done as a kid. Hatch. Dropped it. What is Hatch? That sounds familiar. This might be one of those things you need a subscription for. I think I might have bought this and had to throw it away. Check it out.
Sonic Underground.
Whoa. Huh. That's kind of cool. I'm rich now. Got that Jaru money. Just paper money.
Man, see, you got a clip for it.
Here's an underrated character that you see all the time. It's kind of slowed down. Oh, I thought that was a puppet.
give us a like or a sub.
What is that? What? What is?
What?
Whoa, that's sick.
Quick, let's hide. The see-through invaders coming from space.
It's Kenner's new stretch x-rays.
Stretchy!
That's crazy looking.
No, old ones. I've never seen it, something like this.
If you don't want that, I'll take it. That thing's wild.
No, I'm okay.
You want him?
No.
No?
Nice up good? I remember what the hell that is.
What is this? This is the
I don't know.
little stretchy octopus.
Maybe it's for a bus. It has many heads.
Birdo got a cool stretchy guy. It's like a little demon. Yeah.
You know, I know why you're pissed about what you're doing about
What?
AI.
Yeah.
The reason you're pissed is you may have to go out and get a real job.
I'll just go somewhere else to get my junk. Probably have to start doing auctions or something. But I mean, eventually everybody's going to be doing it.
Well, everybody but me.
Well, yeah. Can't teach an old dog new tricks, you know what I'm saying?
Woof woof.
Can't remember if the blue shell's good or not. It's kind of nice. Oh, that's amazing. We found another puss. Stitch autograph. It's Dino. That's awesome. Can I see him?
Those are sick.
Dude, this is amazing.
Where's the other one? You put them back?
If you want to sell them, I'll buy them from you. I got this one. What the hell is this? I don't know. It's an octopus. Oh, that was a little hard right there. But yeah, if you want to sell that, Birdo, let me know. We'll trade. How about that?
Who would be expecting Shrek? Who?
Is Bryce gonna come in today, or is he just gonna?
He left.
He left.
He said he was leaving.
He didn't even say bye to me.
He waited to find out what I paid for that ladder.
I'm starting to think he doesn't like me anymore.
No, I think
Well, I had stuff in my cart for him. Oh, those are nice. I'm gonna get those. That'll match. Living room right there. Shoes. Shoes. No, I'm about ready to go.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all, we've made it back home from the bins, and I gotta say, it was a pretty wild day over there. This is one of those days that really could hook somebody into coming into that place every single day of the week. You do not see the caliber of those vintage toys every day. When I looked over and I saw him holding that stretch X-ray, I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, I know I've seen that on videos before, and it is freaking cool. I wish I could have found that. I was 2 seconds away from grabbing it, and man, what a crazy find.
You disgrace!
But with that, we got out there spending $21.29 today, so let's get into what I got. Let's go ahead and get the boring stuff out of the way. I got this little Beats headphone charging case. No earbuds or anything, but these usually sell for like 15 to 20 bucks for me, so I figured I might as well grab it. I did go ahead and pick up that Hatch sound machine. I don't know if this is that thing that needs a subscription or not, but it sold comps for like $20 to $35, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Snagged me a Monster High doll today. This one's got some boots, it's got an outfit, bracelet, missing her arm, but this is from 2008. So I usually grab these, and you always want to look them up to make sure that you don't have like a rare one, but they definitely do really well in lots. Ended up grabbing this Ice King from Adventure Time. This one was put out by Jazzwares, and it looks like it goes for about 20 to 25 bucks. Next up, Larry found this for me and put it in my cart, and it was that Fender Mini Twin Amp. It looks like this goes anywhere from like 25 to 35 bucks. It's in decent condition. Just got to test it out. I got the power adapter with it too. So thanks, Larry. And then the find of the day has to be Olivia the Octopus. This thing was released by Kenner in 1978. And when I first saw it, I thought this thing was a knockoff. Everybody thought this thing had a very odd, weird look to it. And it really does. I mean, look at it.
Hey, baby.
It's actually in pretty good condition. Like, there's some wear on the latex or rubber, whatever they use to make these, but as far as I can see, there's not like any major damage to it. It's still kind of pliable. It is a little hard, but it is still pliable and stuff. I don't think I want to try to stretch it or anything, because then you might rip, I don't know. It's so old, like you might rip it. But I was definitely stoked that he handed me this one. He did not have any interest in this one. He only had interest in the Stretch X-Ray, which is the one I really wanted. But this was the one I got, and I actually have something else to show you guys. If you're cool with it.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I love it.
All right.
So I actually did walk away with Stretch X-Ray today. This is marked 1979. This is not the re-release. And he's in pretty good condition. I'm so grateful that he, let me buy this from him, because this is staying in the personal collection. I am going to put him somewhere back there, and I'm super stoked to have Stretch X-Ray from 1979. This thing might be a grail to some people. This could be a grail toy. He's just so cool. He's a little darkened now, but the whole thing was like you're able to see his insides, and you still can kind of see him, but he was more clear back when he was first released. So he's got a little, he's got some stuff wrong. He's got a little hole right here, which is fine. That's right there is pretty hard, so I don't think anything is going to come out or leak out of them. But people sell this head for $80 to $90. So I was happy to get him. Regardless of the hole and all that, I think he's in pretty good condition. And this guy's not going anywhere. He's staying with me. All right, y'all, that's all I got for you today. And as always, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, commenting, liking, hitting that sub button. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit that sub button and become a sick individual today. And I want to let you all know that I still have a few stickers left. Once these are gone, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get these printed in the same quality as these. These are really nice. So if you guys have watched the channel for a while and you really want one, please email me at lostinthecomps@gmail.com and I'll get one headed your way. And with all that said, take care, guys, and keep the thrift alive.